Hey there, welcome to FreeGo. Today we're here to answer the top 5 questions you might have about our Magnesium Spot Care Patch. So let's dive right in.
What is the magnesium patch and why magnesium?
Magnesium is not just a typical metal or mineral. It's a bioabsorbable metal that provides health benefits without any drawbacks, such as aiding in the treatment of fractures and bone concerns. In South Korea, a groundbreaking research team made history by introducing the world's first biocompatible magnesium implant, catching the attention of the BBC.
Clearly, really, at the very, very beginnings of this technology, which could be a really exciting breakthrough.
But guess what? We've taken it a step further. We've harnessed this innovative technology using magnesium to create a skincare solution. The result? The Magnesium Spot Care Patch. The finest magnesium needles penetrate into your skin, boost growth factors, and kickstart regeneration. As magnesium meets moisture, it generates hydrogen and ions, a recipe to banish acne bacteria. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the magic. Our patches feature ultra-thin magnesium needles that play a crucial role in delivering the acne-fighting ingredients. When they do their job effectively, you'll notice these needles undergo a transformation, turning deep black. That's the proof of them working diligently to banish acne bacteria. We're not just covering acne, we're wiping out the source. In simple terms, it's truly slay. Also, this is a product recognized with a US patent.
So, what sets us apart from the rest of the patch products out there?
Well, the market is already flooded with so many patches, mostly hydrocolloid based. But what do we bring to the table? Magnesium patches. The biggest game changer? It's the response time. We're way quicker than your typical patch products. And it's all thanks to this magnesium of ours. It starts working the moment it touches your skin, delivering results at a significantly faster pace. We're not just here to cover up those skin troubles. We're here to tackle them head on. This isn't just a patch you slap on and forget about. This is the patch that works tirelessly while you sleep.
This looks sharp and painful. Is it though? Could it harm my skin?
Well, those pointed tips are an essential part of the technology needed for deep skin penetration and absorption. It's the key to getting rid of those pimples faster. But fear not, it doesn't hurt and it won't cause any damage to your skin.
My skin is on the sensitive side. Will it be okay? Could there be any allergic reactions?
Absolutely not. You have nothing to worry about. Our product has passed dermatology tests and completed clinical trials.
Where can I purchase it?
You can purchase it by visiting FreeGoPatch.com, and it's also available on Amazon and Walmart. Free yourself from skin troubles right now.